Welcome to Clicker. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the basics of Clicker's writing support, speech support, the predictor, and Clicker grids. If you can't see the document, click the Document tab. Let's get started by typing a sentence. When you add a period, Clicker reads out the sentence.
I love writing with Clicker.
This encourages students to review their writing as they go and to make their own corrections. To hear an individual word, click it.
Love writing.
To hear a section, highlight it and click the Speech tool.
The speech helps me.
To use a different voice or to change any of the speech options, go to Options, Speech. Now let's take a look at the predictor. Turn the predictor on, then choose the words you want as you type. If you need help reading the word, right-click to hear it read aloud.
Suggesting. Suggestions.
You can use right-click practically anywhere in Clicker to have a word read aloud. Okay, we'll clear our document, and now let's consider those learners who need more support than this. We're going to open a Clicker set, so go to Clicker Explorer. This is where you open all Clicker files. We'll go to Samples and choose A Day at School. Its green icon tells us it's a sentence set, a set of grids for writing simple sentences. A Clicker grid sits in the lower section of the screen. When you click words in the grid, they get sent into the document, just as if you typed them on the keyboard.
Tommy is reading a book.
Clicking the forward arrow takes you to the next grid, so you can create another sentence.
Sally is writing a story.
A sentence set typically contains lots of grids, so you can create a meaningful piece of writing one sentence at a time. To make a quick change to any kind of Clicker set, hold Shift and click the word you want to change. To make more changes, for example to change the word order or provide a model sentence, go to Clicker Set, Edit. Feel free to experiment. OK, now let's open a different kind of Clicker set. We'll go to our Samples again in Explorer and select Describe a Monster. Its orange icon indicates it's a Connect set. Connect sets provide more open-ended activities. Connect up the words or phrases to create your sentence.
The monster is huge and fierce.
Then move on to the next grid to write the next section of your story. Finally, let's clear our document and take a look at word banks. Go to the Sample Grids and select this file. Word banks provide alphabetical or topic-based word lists to use alongside the keyboard to support writing in any subject area. Remember, you can right-click to hear a word read aloud.
Fertile.
And just click to add it to your document. In this word bank, words are organised into topic grids. You can also organise word banks into alphabetical tabs, like this one in the Samples folder. Alphabetical word banks serve as a useful reference point for subject-specific vocabulary. Each Clicker set you open has its own tab at the bottom of the window, so you can move between different Clicker sets while working on your document. Your subscription gives you free access to hundreds of ready-made Clicker sets for a whole range of subjects. Go to Explorer, then click Learning Grids and search for what you need. To create your own Clicker set, select the Clicker Set tab in the ribbon, click New and choose the type of set you want. Thanks for watching. Check out our other tutorial videos for more Clicker features.